In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add vertical divider in WordPress Elementor. So in order to do that, what you can do is we can head over to elementor.com, click on this Get Started option, and then from in there, you can create an account using this by following the on-screen instructions or clicking onto this login option in order to log in into the account that you already have. So we need to host WordPress and we will use it right here. So you can host the Elementor using WordPress. Just click on this Get Started in order to create an account or click onto this Login in order to log into one. So since I already have both, I have already integrated Elementor to WordPress by adding it as a plugin. And this is actually the website that I already have and created. In order to add a vertical divider, like for example, onto this right here, I have three separate elements and I want to add a divider for them. First thing you need to do is you need to insert a grid, and this is what I just did right here. So if you already have an existing one, you can edit it. But if you don't have one yet, just head over and add a grid. Then insert in here the element that you wish to add. Like for example, images just like this. So in here, just click onto the grid, head over to the style, and into this right here, you can just go and then navigate to the style tab and scroll down until you can find the border options. You have in here the border type, so you can choose none and you can also choose solid. And as you can see, it's been added to this particular image. But do take note that this is actually for the image only. Make sure that you selected the container and not the specific element inside it. In order to make sure, you can click onto this structure, click onto this grid, head over to the style, and then in here we can see the shape divider option. You can choose in here shape divider, or you can also head over to the border. Choose in here the border type. Let's choose solid, and this is what it looks like. You can choose the border width on the actual column itself or onto the container by going to the style tab and doing the same thing, using this way as well into the border type. So that's how you add vertical divider in WordPress Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.